Hi, it's Annelie. Today I want to texture this board a little bit around. I'm thinking of making a small frame and maybe put some butterflies or something inside this. And I don't know what I'm going to do on the side, but I'm just going to maybe eyeball it a little bit. I'm just putting my hand against the canvas. I'm just making a line there. Try to keep that distance. And just want to go slightly more into that area maybe. I don't want to use a ruler or anything and make it too perfect. So I'm just going to take my texture paste and I'm just going to put a rough frame around this. I think I'm almost done, so then I'm just going to let it dry and then I'll come back and I'll see what I'm going to do next. Maybe a little bit of decoupage or maybe just some painting. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure if I'm going to use these stickers or otherwise I'm going to paint them. I'm going to make this dark grey and this light grey. I'm just going to use my chalk paint. It's a chalk paint. I don't know, you can get it anywhere, I think in your countries as well, I'm not sure, but any acrylic can also work. I'm just going to make a dark up to there and light there, and then I'll see as I go along. Got the dark grey. I'm just going to start putting it on. I'm going a little bit over my texture paste here because I want to create a little bit of depth there in the background. I think I will give this 2 coats, so I'm not going to bore you with this or the second coat. I'm just going to go on like this, and I'm not going to film this because it's going to get boring. I just want to show you, I made this with a piece of superwood, and I just put these fine, I don't know what you call these, about 1.5 centimeters by 1.5 centimeters at the back, and I sticked it down with glue, and then I put in some small, what do you call it, nails, but it made a little bit of mark. So I'm just going to take this chalk paint and I'm just going to create texture over these. I'm just going to do the corners. I hope it's going to work. Just going to do this and go around, and if it doesn't work I will make another plan when I come to that. I'm just putting a little bit of this, what is it called, shed of stone around the sides, blending it a little bit into the background. I'll touch that later with the darker one. And then I'm just going to start painting this I'm just going to blend it with my finger quickly before it starts to dry. Okay, some of the areas are already a little bit dry, but I've just taken out both of them here. I'm going to mix them slightly and see if it looks better if I maybe put on a lighter color. I can always go over this when this is dry with just my dark color. It's maybe a little bit light, but I'll see. You can see the texture where I've put it on. It's just, it does go a little bit flat. I don't know if I'm liking this. I don't think so. I think I'm just going to go with my dark color. There's still a little bit white in my brush. I didn't clean it, but it's okay. I will see how it looks when I'm finished with this and it's dry. Usually acrylics dry a little bit darker, so we will then just see what's happening here. But let's put it in the sun and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, actually it dried, so you can see it's a little bit lighter on the sides with the white in this color into this gray, so I like it. And I bought these stickers a while back. I don't know why, but I liked it, so I'm gonna try and use them here. This will be my first time, so just bear with me. I'm not sure even what I need to do, but I'm going to peel them off and try to stick them and see how it looks. I don't know if it's scrapbook stickers or what do you use it for? Wait, I've got tweezers I bought as well. Let me just get them. Okay, let me try. I'll just go from the center to the back as I usually do with decoupage. I don't know if it's necessary to press it down very good. It's got a little bit of a border. I don't know if you are able to see it. I think what I will do is I will take this color and just go over that. I hope the glue will stick down, but I guess we will see in a few months' time. I'm just going to speed this up. I don't want to show you everything here. It's easier than I thought. I don't know if it's because it's so small. Just want to make sure it sticks down everywhere. Okay, this is a very lazy way. But okay, that's one is not very straight, but I don't mind. It's okay. Okay, I actually wanted to put circles around each and every one of them, but I was a little bit restricted because I went over some places with my texture paste and some places not, and I couldn't find a circle big enough to go in between all three of them. So I'm going to try and paint a shadow part here. Okay, I'm quickly gonna let this dry. Okay, sorry for the noise at the outside. I've got this German silver Gilders paste. I'm just gonna put it around here, and then I think I'm finished. Just gonna use my finger. I'm going to put here on the sides as well a little bit, not too much. Okay, I think I'm finished. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I will see you next time, and have a lovely day.